This bathroom remodel update is brought to you by EZPro Express.
Today we are here with Jeff of EZPro Express to go over a few questions about bathroom remodeling. So Jeff, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so what are some of the things that a homeowner should look for when selecting a contractor for a bathroom remodel?
That's a great question. So we would always say check the credentials. Are they licensed to do the work? Do they have the proper insurance? Do they pull permits? At EZPro Bath Express, you don't have to worry about those things. We're a licensed general contractor. We have multiple licensed plumbers on staff, and if a permit is needed, we do all the paperwork, handle all the legwork so the homeowner doesn't have to worry about those items.
Now what about reviews? How important are they when selecting a contractor?
I think most people would say reviews are extremely important when selecting a contractor. I mean, there are the customer's own words describing on how well the contractor delivers on their promises, right? So beyond reviews, also what is the contractor standing with the Better Business Bureau? So at EZPro Express, we have currently over 1,500 five-star reviews. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, so you know we're taking care of our customers. I would encourage anybody, go online, read some of our reviews for yourself. Some of them are really great.
Awesome. How can one get started?
Yeah, we keep it easy. So give us a call. We come to the house. We offer free in-home consultations. We'll bring product samples to your home. We'll take measurements. We'll talk about the project that you're looking to do. And we'll give you a price down to the penny. That'll be good for 1 year. So when you're ready to move forward with that project, you'll know exactly what it costs. On top of that, for the viewers today, we're offering $1,000 off their project. So give us a call. Go online, EZProExpress.com, or come see us at one of our local showrooms.
This bathroom remodel update was brought to you by EZPro Express.